So the pan is hot, or the skillet is hot already. So I put in the onions, the chopped onions. I put it first because if I added the garlic, it will just burn it. It will burn before the onion will become translucent. So I really like the smell of the onions. And then I can add the garlic. You know, you need to slice your garlic and onions at least 10 minutes before using them, so that the special chemicals on them will really release that healthy chemicals that we needed for our body. Then after this, we can add our chicken thighs, which I sliced thinly. It's better to use a chicken breast, but since I don't have a thawed one, so I just use what's available. And here you can just smell the combination of onions and garlic. They smell good. So I can add the chicken now. And put the pot. Just brown them, then you can add your seasonings. So at this moment, the chicken is already pan fried. Then I'm going to add the carrots. I forgot the word. Then just stir them together. Then wait for a few minutes to release the water from the carrots, and then from there on you can decide how much water you can add. And I already put the soy sauce in and the oyster sauce, so that it will really what is that, para mo tuhop jud siya sa karne gani sa manok. I don't know what's the English of tuhop. So just stir fry till ma-soften siya ang carrots. Then you can add water. Ano siya? I will add water, at least 2 cups. And then I will let it simmer. Then you can add more. I will add more soy sauce. You can adjust the taste. I will let it simmer for a little, then I will add the celery. Maybe simmer it for 5 minutes. I have added the celery on it. I have simmered this for 10 minutes. Then it's softened now, and I added the soy sauce, the pepper, the ground pepper, and the oyster sauce, and it tastes good now. So I will add the noodles, the rice sticks or BIHON, maybe 4, maybe just 4. Okay, let me see. Let me just put it aside. Or maybe 4. So what you do in here is you're just going to cook the noodles. And noodles easily cook for like 3 minutes. Then you can put the vegetables on the top to help it cook faster. I did not soak my noodles, so that's how I do it. And here, you can just wait, and the noodles is cooked. Usually I cook this BIHON or rice stick noodles with sausage, but I cannot find the brand that I like, so I did not put any. Then my husband likes it with a shrimp, but we did not able to come to the Asian store, so maybe next time when I cook again, I'll try to grab some shrimp. So it's there. So I will minimize the heat so that it will not stick on the bottom of the skillet. Just let it simmer, let the noodles absorb all the liquid on it, and then until it's dry. I mean, and the noodles absorb all the liquid on it. You see, there's still liquid. Just keep stirring. And so here is my pancit bihon a la Jenny, and this is ready to serve. After I cook the rice sticks, the bihon noodles, I added the spinach. Instead of using cabbage, I use spinach, since that's what I have cabbage, but I use spinach instead because I have plenty in my tiny garden. So I get some and use it on my recipe today. And so here is my bihon. I put spring onions to garnish it and lemon. And you can squeeze a lemon on the noodle, and it will add an extra taste on the noodles. And I will make a video what will be my daughter's reaction, or what will be her judgment. Okay, so here's my bihon. Come on, let's eat, and you can try the way I do it. Thank you. So here, see the carrots, celery, the meat, the chicken meat, and that's it.
It's so yummy.
It's yummy? Good?
Gotta kill it.
Yeah, I put carrots on it. Is it good, B? Aisha? Hey.
Uh-huh. I got lemon on it.
Yeah, you want some lemon? Okay.